that might help you. Today's topic is how to create a Discord account. Before we get started, it would be great if you could hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. First and foremost, you have to click on register. Then you have to put your email address. Then you have to create a username. Then you have to create a password that is easy for you to remember but not too obvious. Then you have to put your date of birth. Then you have to click on continue. Click on this box and finish this captcha. It told me to click on the bicycle images, but for you it can be different. As you can see, now we are inside Discord. So our account is created. If we disable this, you'll see it says, please check your email and follow the instruction to verify your account. So if I click on my Gmail, you can see that we got an email from Discord. Click on this and then click on verify email. And it says email verified, and then click on continue to Discord. Open Discord. Voila! Your Discord account is created. Next up, we will make a short video on how to use Discord. We will cover every basic Discord things you need to know. Until then, see you in the next one. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.